How do I reset my mind? Let me begin with a quote from Napoleon Hill. There are no limitations to the mind except those we acknowledge. Both poverty and riches are the offspring of our thought. You can choose to be happy much of the time or not. You can choose to create a life filled with melodrama or a life filled with peace and joy. The choice is yours. How do you reset your mind? We can reset our mind by using the techniques of meditation and creative visualization. We can learn to live by choice, not by chance. What questions come to your mind when you hear this? How do I reset my mind to get what I want? Here's your chance to let me guide you on a mindfulness journey that will help you find insight, clarity, and calm. Your needs to make better decisions and experience more joy and fulfillment in every moment. Thank you.